Contestant will just project from there to there. Just try to occupy the space, okay? Alright. Thank you. Let's start with contestant. Your music, speaker. Trailer. Hey, the trailer. Speaker. Music maestro. What? Speaker. It's fine, but I'm using it. Because start. Okay.
Oh, you should play with your phone, Ems.
Voice first. Voice first. Different now. Okay, one. Okay, guys, all eyes. Again, we need to pick the top three. Okay, one. Let's start with the expert. Paul. Paul.
Gentleman.
That's it?
Okay, and then number two from Voice Department.
Oh my god, they look scary.
So natural.
So natural. You're so mean, dude.
It's so natural, huh?
With no effort. This one. Biton, moonwalk. Moonwalk. Dr. Doom. Is this Dr. Doom? Iron Man.
Okay, number four.
So fun. Dance, sexy dance, sexy dance.
Okay, contestant number 5.
Marnel.
Okay, fine. Walking Dead. I hate you now.
Mark B. Dude, for how many minutes were they recorded? I capture all the fun moment. Little Red Riding Hood.
Little Black Riding Hood. Cosplay.
I'm so different, my God! I'm so Barbie! This is fine! Uniqueness!
No, the criteria is scary.
Number 8.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah.
Intro it here, intro it here.
Number 9, Mommy Ahmed.
This one.
This one. Then. Yeah.
Okay, the last, number 10.
Oh.
How's the hat? The hat will be like... Mira, Will. Very much
Bro,
To the left, the eyes.
we can see your face here.
Put the eyes. You see the eyes.
Just the eyes. We're not afraid. We have Iron Man.
Alright.
Alright, can you have all the 10 lined up here according to your numbers?
Bro.
Oh.